Hello everyone, I'm Millie and this is...
Right. I forgot. Hi there, I'm Jay. It's nice to meet you.
Welcome to our first lesson. Today we are going to learn about nouns.
What are nouns?
That's a good question. A noun is a naming word. We use nouns to refer to a place, a person, an animal, an object, or an idea. For example, my name is Millie, so my name is a noun. Similarly, Jay here is a monster. His origins and his name both are nouns. A sentence can have a number of nouns in it. Shall we take a look? He is a man. She is a woman. This is a school. This is a shop. The hospital is nearby. The market is far away. This is a book. This is a chair. The pan is on the stove. The cupboard is open.
Whoa, that's a lot of nouns.
I know, right? Did you know there are many varieties of nouns?
Really? What are they called?
They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun.
That makes sense. However, how do we exactly notice a noun?
That's why I have a few exercises, silly.
Oh, right. Then shall we do it? I've been wanting to go for a run.
Not that kind of exercise.
Oh, right.
Now where was I? Below are some sentences put up together. Let's look at it, shall we?
Let's go.
Can you name the nouns in these sentences? Venti has a cold. Mary had a biscuit. Delhi is far away. Mumbai is the hub of Bollywood. The shirt is torn. The umbrella is wet. Justice has prevailed. Honesty is a virtue. So, did you get it?
Yes.
And do you know there can be more than one noun in a sentence as well?
Really? How?
Aman has his umbrella. What do you think, Jay? What are the nouns here?
Aman is a noun because it is the name of a person, and umbrella because it is an object.
You are absolutely right, Jay. Can you find the nouns in these sentences?
Well done, everyone. You know all about nouns just like me. But Millie, what about the other nouns?
We will learn the variety of nouns in our next lesson very soon.
Okay.
So, that was all, friends.
I hope you all have understood.
Now, let's head to our next lesson, shall we? So, are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
We'll see you there soon.